Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Apple ID on the device you want a backup. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power if possible. Icloud gives 5 GB free, and you can upgrade to 50 GB or 200 GB plans. Ensure iCloud Photos is enabled in settings to begin syncing photos automatically. Open Settings, tap your name, then tap iCloud to view storage and options. Tap Photos and toggle on iCloud Photos to store images in the cloud for automatic syncing. Decide between Optimize iPhone storage and Download and Keep Originals for device space. Optimize iPhone storage keeps smaller images locally and stores originals in iCloud. Download and Keep Originals stores full-resolution files on the device and in iCloud. On a Mac, open Photos, choose Photos Preferences iCloud, and check iCloud Photos to sync your library. On Windows, install iCloud for Windows and enable Photos to upload to iCloud. Use Wi-Fi for access your photos on iPhone, iPad, Mac, or at iCloud. Com using your Apple ID. Use shared albums to share photos with others without using your iCloud storage. Deleted photos remain in Recently Deleted for 30 days before permanent removal. Manage storage in settings by checking photos usage and deleting unwanted backups or videos. To free space, export originals to a computer and remove device copies afterward. Enable family sharing to share iCloud Plus plans like 200 GB or 2 TB across family members for shared storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.